Hi everyone, welcome back to Udu's Organic DIY. In today's video, we are diving into the world of oils, especially paraffin oil and its uses in anointing oil, cosmetics, and soap making. I will also expose some tricks that sellers use to dilute or mislabel oils and why you should be cautious, especially if you are making products like soap. Paraffin oil is a popular choice for making anointing oil. It is affordable, readily available, and easy to work with. Let me show you how to make anointing oil at home with it. First, pour your paraffin oil into a clean container. Then add a few drops of oil-soluble yellow color. Gently heat the oil if needed to help the color mix evenly. You can also add essential oils like frankincense or myrrh for fragrance. And that is it. This anointing oil is perfect for spiritual use. However, paraffin oil is not a substitute for olive oil in certain cosmetic applications. Let me explain why. Sometimes, paraffin oil is mislabeled and sold as olive oil for anointing purposes. This might not be a big issue, but for cosmetics, especially soap making, it is a problem. Here is the reason. Paraffin oil has a sodium hydroxide saponification value of 0. That means it does not react with lye to form soap. On the other hand, olive oil has an average sodium hydroxide saponification value of 0.134, meaning 134 grams of sodium hydroxide is needed to fully saponify 1 kilogram of olive oil. If you try to make soap with paraffin oil, you will just end up with a fade batch. Always double check the source and type of oil you are buying. Another trick some sellers use is diluting coconut oil with paraffin oil in a ratio 1:1 and selling it as pure coconut oil. Let me show you how they do it. I'm going to measure 10 ml of coconut oil and again measure out 10 ml of paraffin oil and mix them properly. The result looks like pure coconut oil, and only thing you will perceive is coconut oil. But here is the problem. The diluted oil won't work the same for soap making and other applications that depend on coconut specific properties, like its high sodium hydroxide saponification value of 0.183. If you try to use this in soap making, the paraffin oil will affect the final product, leaving you with an unusable mess like this. So, to sum up, paraffin oil is great for making anointing oil and a very lucrative business, but it is not a substitute for olive oil in cosmetic or soap making. Always check your oil authenticity, especially if you are buying it for specific purpose like soap making. And if you suspect a seller is diluting oil, do a little testing yourself. Knowledge is powerful. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.